Hey, what's up, everyone? Something to consider for heterosexual females primarily is the issue with women trying to make their male partner into a woman. And what I mean by that is I've worked with several hundred couples, and I can't tell you how many times I've seen it, and in one-on-one therapy too as well, where a woman wants a man to be their emotional support system. And to be honest, most men are not wired like that. The ones that are usually therapists or work in some type of, heart-centered service industry, whatever that be, nursing or any of the such, Reiki healers. But majority of men are honestly not wired for daily emotional output. They're more task-oriented in general, that is. And so it's something to consider. When you find yourself wanting your male partner to be there for you on a daily basis, emotionally, to hold space, and this applies to LGBTQ plus as well. But specifically, I would say for heterosexual females, cisgendered female, you might find yourself wanting the man to be a woman, to hold emotional space, which even there's a good population of women that can't even do that. And so diversify, see other people around you, see a therapist, whoever is in your corner. I want to recommend, having alternatives and really giving yourself the freedom to explore that. Okay, hit like, subscribe, and I'll keep putting out some more content. Thank you so much. Love.